In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a sitemap in Yoast SEO. A sitemap is essentially a blueprint of your website that helps search engines like Google navigate and index your content more effectively. By having a well-structured sitemap, you're setting up a solid foundation for improving your site's search visibility. To get started, you'll need to make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website, where you manage your content, settings, and various plugins. If you haven't done so already, ensure that the Yoast SEO plugin is installed and activated on your site, as this is the tool we'll be using to create our sitemap today. Yoast is a powerful plugin that automatically creates a sitemap for your site. But let's walk through the process to confirm it's all set up correctly. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and hover your mouse over Yoast SEO. This will produce a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, go ahead and click on Settings. This section is where you can manage a variety of options within the Yoast plugin. Here, Yoast allows you to tweak various components of your SEO strategy, including the sitemap setting, which is essential for search engine optimization. As you venture into the settings, you may notice an array of tabs and options. Don't worry, they're all there to help you fine-tune your SEO, but for now, we'll keep our focus on generating the sitemap. You can either scroll down through the settings page to find what we're looking for, or if you want to save time, use the search function by typing XML sitemaps into the search bar. This will quickly guide you to the relevant section without any fuss. Once you've found the XML sitemaps section, you'll likely see a toggle switch. This toggle controls whether your sitemap is enabled. It's usually turned on by default, but it's always a good idea to check. If you find it toggled off, simply click it so that it switches to the on position. Now, what we just configured is how Yoast SEO generates a sitemap automatically for your website content. This tool updates your sitemap dynamically as you add or remove posts and pages, ensuring that your site's blueprint is always up to date for search engines to crawl effectively. Having this feature on streamlines your SEO efforts significantly as Yoast handles the heavy lifting behind the scenes. There you have it. You've successfully ensured that your XML sitemap is enabled in Yoast SEO. This small yet potent action will help search engines understand your site structure and index it appropriately, contributing positively to your online presence. Always remember, with SEO, small steps like this can accumulate into substantial improvements over time. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more settings if you're up for it.